How to change Spotify country. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. Once you open the Explore page, tap on Account on the top left corner of the page. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on About. After that, tap on Support. Here, you will see the Spotify support page. Scroll down and tap on Manage Your Account and then Account Settings. Then, you need to select Change Your Country or Region Settings. Now, tap on Check Your Country or Region to check your current country on your account page. Here, scroll down to the Country or Region option and select the country according to your choice. After that, just tap on Save Profile to save the settings. Following these steps, you can easily change the country on your Spotify account.